One of the ways that I grew a brand new Etsy print-on-demand shop to over 700 listings and had over 2,200 orders in the first 6 months is by batching designs. This allows me to test the design style across multiple niches and create multiple products and listings a lot faster. Let's dive into my design process. For some of my designs, I use a website called creativefabrica as a starting place. Remember that with Etsy, since you are using print on demand to outsource your production, you need to make sure you're involved in the design process so that you can make it your own. So I'll find a design in creativefabrica that I know that I can easily adjust in Canva, make sure that it's okay for print on demand use, and then import it into Canva. Designs like this one can easily be cropped so that I can add text or other things to the design. Something like this will be great for Valentine's Day and can be used for multiple niches. Think moms, teachers, pet owners, and more. The more specific you can get with your niche, the better. For this example, I'm just using some generic ones. Once I've got it cropped and arranged the way I want to, I'm going to add some text below. Typically, I'll use a font that's different from the one that's in the broader design so that it stands out. If I have a chunky retro design like this one, then I might use a simple handwriting text below. Once I've got that, then the batching magic happens. I can take this one design and duplicate it across niches. So I might have one for a mom, I can duplicate it and create one for a teacher, then perhaps one for a nurse or a doctor, and then maybe I'll change up the font and do something cute for a pet owner. And in just a couple minutes, I've taken one design concept and replicated it across multiple niches. Keep in mind you should try to get specific based on research that you've done on keywords. Once I've got designs ready, then I'll typically create a batch of mock-ups for each design. The more that you can connect your mock-up with the aesthetic of your design or shop, the more eye-catching they tend to be. And remember that when you're placing your design on a mock-up, always lower the transparency of your design so that it looks much more realistic to the actual product that your customer will receive. And remember, the design process is just one key element to your shop's success. Do your research, work on your SEO, and make sure you're being consistent.